Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make kombucha with no sugar. To achieve a truly sugar-free kombucha, the key is allowing the fermentation process to complete fully. The SCOBY, or symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, consumes the sugar, transforming it into beneficial acids and a fizzy drink. This guide will walk you through each step to ensure your homemade kombucha is delicious and sugar-free. First, you'll brew your initial sweet tea. Combine 1 gallon of filtered water with 1 cup of organic cane sugar and 8 bags of black tea. Let it cool completely. Then, gently introduce your SCOBY and 2 cups of strong starter tea into the cooled sweet tea. Cover your brewing vessel with a breathable cloth and secure it with a rubber band, placing it in a warm spot. To ensure all the sugar is consumed, allow your kombucha to ferment for an extended period, typically between 14 and 21 days. The exact time depends on your environment and SCOBY activity. Taste your kombucha regularly after about 10 days. It should taste tart, with no noticeable sweetness. If it's still sweet, let it ferment for a few more days until the sugar is gone. Once your kombucha is sugar-free, it's time to add flavor. You can use fresh fruit, herbs, or spices, but avoid adding more sugar. For example, try a few slices of ginger or a sprig of mint. Bottle your flavored kombucha and let it sit for 1 to 3 days for carbonation. Then, refrigerate it immediately to stop the fermentation process and preserve its delicious, sugar-free taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.